Whilst rummaging in my shed to find enough hinges to put the doors on, right, I've got those on a, what do you call it, so I don't need to hold that shut. That's plenty. And this one wants a bit of oil. Found the hinges, got the catches. Those won't stay. Those will stay shut no matter what you put, what corners you put in. These won't. So I'm working out how I can hold those shut, because you know, as soon as I go around the corner, got the knives and forks in there. That's still working perfect. Right, I did put that catch on there to keep that door shut when I was driving, but I came across one of my little push button things, so I've drilled the hole and he's gonna fit in there. I think he'll fit in there quite nicely, but I've had to make a spacer block to go behind it. I've had to make a spacer block. Just marked it now, so I'll let you see what that's like as soon as I've done it. Got that fitted now, so I've only got to press him and he comes open. I'm well chuffed with that. I had to make a spacer plate to go on the back, and that's glued and screwed, and it goes in and it goes behind the timber. So that's that done. Took that catch off. That'll get covered up when I paint it. It's got to be sanded down again. Oh, I'm well chuffed with that. That'll stop it definitely coming open when I'm driving. Just got to work out something to stop all these now. Just about to film this, that I've screwed everything back, and I don't know whether you can see out the front. You know, all the kids. That's just a young couple with their one toddler. Out, you know, out. They can't say they're exercising. They're still on a bloody corner loitering. Now, right, I've screwed all the cables back to the wall, tidied all that up to stop those rattling and moving around and vibrating and wearing through. So that's all in there. And then down, that's the you can't quite see, it's the water waste outlet. Comes down off the sink. My new catch. So that's in. I still haven't wired up the socket yet because I haven't got the cable, because as I said, I wanted to put another one down there. That's why I left that space, and that will be accessed when I've got the door wide open and I've got the awning on or something like that. So I've already started to put stuff in there. I don't know whether you can see, they're outside letting the kids play with his scooter. They just don't bloody care. Right, where was I at? Right, I got the drawers out. Just about to start to put them back in. One, look. Oh, I can't pick him up with one hand, can I? He's somewhere near. Look, kitchen roll. I did away before the van gets broken into just for that. And the knives and forks drawer. There it goes. There you go. They hold themselves shut. They got that last notch that they just pull themselves in. And that one does it as well. Well, they hold it. Right. Won't be far off getting the extension lead out so I can hoover up in here. Okay. Just a little bit further. Got all that back in. Door catch. Ooh. Right, now I haven't cleaned up in there yet, but at least now look at the lights back in there. I did put one under there. I put one under there and one in behind there just to light it up. It's just enough so I can reach the gas and things like that. So that's in, that's done. All the wires are screwed up. It's just little things now, that's all. So wait for the next one. Gotta tidy up in here. Silly little things, it's got to be done though. Me plug screwed him down to the sink, put that trim on. That's on now. I can varnish that now. And also I put a little throw bolt up there, as though I lock the van but I leave that door open, so the whole van's locked, right? And then I unlock this door, just this door on its own, right? And I very rarely lock it at night time anyway. So it's only if I'm out in the wilds of it, you know. I know there is people around then, but that just stops the door opening all the way. You know, as soon as you open it, it just comes against that bolt, because that's got to go out first, because the catch is this end. That's got to go out first, so just stop it going out, so they can try the door. I'll know if it's been opened, because the lights will come on, and the alarm will go off. But anyway, that just stops them getting in straight away. Put that up like that, so that just stops them getting in straight away. I'm going to reroute that, because there's lights inside the cupboards there, and that's closer to take the wire. You know, it doesn't take any amperage, so that's closer to take the wires to there. Basically that's it. I'm not far off finished. Once I've cleaned up, I'll do an end video. Right, look at the floor. I haven't put that away yet though. That's purely because I cut the Dyson out. I've run out of Corona, so it's got to be so I've hoovered up, cleaned up. I haven't put the cushions back down yet, and look, I got a kettle on. So I can wash this bloody side down and get all that grease and grime and everything off it. Let's leave that knob on, take the other knobs off, and put them in. Always use the bowl. Very rare I use the sink. I don't know why I got a plug on it even. Very rare. But as you can see, I'm tidied up, and that's going to become a pain, because I will keep leaving the light on, I expect. There you go. That's all cleaned up in there. That's cleaned up down there. My new catch. I've just thrown those in there for now. They've got to come out and be sorted. A few cups, me towels in there, and this one is waiting for junk. As I say, I put these catches on so they stay there. As you can see, I've hoovered up in there. It's all strapped back in there. This one's a little bit I just hoovered in there. Where's all that just come from? I don't know. I just hoovered in there. But I got some carpet. I'll put that down on the floor in there to stop anything sliding. Oven doesn't need cleaning, because I think I've only used it but once. Grill doesn't need cleaning. Done that. So there you go, ladies and gentlemen. See, and now I can pull my work surface out and keep my beer on it. And look, I've still got loads of room to walk by. Loads of room. So, well, at least all the kids are gone in now. I haven't seen them out playing for a while. Well, they did have a water fight, so I expect they're soaked. So yeah, I'm just going to get all this grease and grime off there. I haven't screwed that back on yet, remind me. So all in all, I can say that without the paint on there, this is just the primer. Without the Battleship Grey on there, you'll have to wait till the next meeting to be able to see that, because unless it gets caught on video. So it's wired all that. That's all wired back up. As you could tell, I've been using the hoover. Just hoovered that out, cleaned the dropout out because it was full of sawdust. Got the gas out. I have the gas on a long pipe. I'm gonna have to work some of it out inside there. I might put some of it on the inside to slide across eventually. I'm not in a rush to do that until I've painted it anyway. So look here, I haven't taken the wax off from last time. And that's a while ago now. So all in all, I've just got to put the cushions down. I'm just going to wash this down, screw that up. That's only all held on by 2 screws. So all in all, ladies and gentlemen, thanks for watching these 4 dreadfully long videos. But as I say, I just gabble on, and to be able to edit it to a degree where I've taken all my gabbling out takes longer. So thanks for watching it, and especially all the comments. Thanks loads for all the comments at this pandemic year. You know, can we press the reset button, because I think 2020 has now got a virus. Switch screens. Switch screens. What? There, if you're happy, I'm happy. Stop recording.